Why I left Islam? It has nothing to do with me being gay. Actually, I was gay, I was still Muslim. Being gay didn't affect my beliefs. I was still practicing. I defended Islam. I was still doing everything as any other woman in a Muslim country, in a Muslim family. But the reasons why I left Islam are the followings. The first thing is slavery. Islam came, changed people's beliefs about what is God, how to worship, etc. But it did not stop slavery.
Those who declare their wives to be their mothers and therefore go back on what they have said shall free a slave before they may touch each other. And what do you know what that difficult step is? It is freeing someone's neck from slavery or giving food on a day of hunger. Prophet said he should be free the slave completely by the paying the rest of his price. The Prophet ﷺ said, "O Abu Huraira, your slave has come back." Abu Huraira said, "Indeed, I would like you to witness that I have manumitted him." The Prophet who remarked, "O Abu Huraira, here is your slave." I said, "I manumit him for Allah's sake." Allah's Apostle said, "He who has a slave girl and educates and treats her nicely and then manumits and marries her will get a double reward." So, freeing slave is encouraged by Islam. The Prophet said, "He who has a slave girl and teaches her good manners and improves her education and then manumits and marries her will get a double reward." The Prophet ordered us to free slaves at the time of solar eclipse. We were ordered to free slaves at the time of lunar eclipse. There may be two reasons why you left Islam. The first one is that you did not even know about these verses about freeing slaves and how Islam encouraged to free slaves. And you might have heard about slavery in Islam from Islamophobes, non-Muslims. The second reason could be that, of course, you are not straight, so obviously you couldn't fulfill your desires in Islam. So that's why you left Islam. So don't lie that you left Islam because of slavery. Islam encouraged Muslims to free their slaves. Islam stopped people to drink alcohol. Islam saved daughters. Islam saved black people. And there's no separatity of white people on black people and black people on white people. Islam is such a beautiful religion. You just left Islam because of your desires.